gonna go just like that. And then the pipes are gonna run into the tub is in there. So the propane can is for this. And this is just to start the fire. Okay, so I don't need to bring down like paper or anything. I have I have one of those things that was $100 on Amazon, the coil, and then the stove was $100 at Princess Auto, and I spent like $250 on copper and fittings. So I still need like 2 fittings to go there. And then once the fire is blazing, you just turn off the propane. And I'm gonna cover this in rocks. So the rocks will hold in the heat and keep everything super hot. And hopefully it works.